Imagine stepping into the vast new world of Healy with a guide right by your side, with a step-by-step plan on how you can go from A to Z in just 7 days. That's what the Healy Demo Experience is about. Exclusively available on the Healy Advisor App, this demo is every new joiner's best friend. Want more focus? A mood lift? Perhaps better sleep? The choice is yours to make. After selecting your goal for joining Healy World, you embark on the journey of your dreams. Every day for 1 week, complete interactive activities on your to-do list, get personalized IMF program recommendations, and watch fun videos that give you a 360-degree overview of Healy World. All you need to begin is a demo device. Once you have installed the Healy Advisor app, you're all set and ready to go. Say goodbye to feeling overwhelmed and hello to a better you.